rabbits stop and look around, we call this vigilance. If it's lifting its head briefly while grazing to check its environment, this is vigilant behavior. This is an anti-predator behavior where the rabbit pauses what it's doing to scan its surrounding for threats. This helps the rabbit detect predators early and escape. I slowed down this video so that way you could see how the bunny pauses while it's eating to look up, and it holds very still to listen and to look around. I think it's very important to note too how the bunny doesn't turn its head to look around, it freezes and uses its eyes. When sitting in this position, the rabbit's eyes are wide and their ears are erect. Here's another slowed down video of another rabbit grazing and lifting up its head to pause, and shows vigilance behavior within this video. Let's now discuss Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis regarding the behavior vigilance in rabbits. First, we have causation. Vigilance in rabbits is triggered by visual or auditory cues associated with predators. For example, sudden movement or rustling sounds. A study done by Moncluse in 2006 says that exposure to fox odor has been found to elevate vigilance levels in rabbits, indicating that olfactory cues play a significant role in triggering this behavior. For development, rabbits learn and refine vigilance behavior through experience and social learning from older group members. Research indicates that young rabbits exhibit different responses to predators compared to adults, suggesting that vigilance behavior develops over time. A study done by Pongratz and Altbacker in 2000 examined the ontogeny of responses in European rabbits and found that age and experience influence the development of anti-predator behaviors, including vigilance. For evolution, vigilance behavior in rabbits evolved from a common ancestor shared with other prey species such as hares or rodents. A study done by G et al. In 2013 studies the phylogenetic analysis, fossil records, and DNA and more of lagomorphs, which includes rabbits. The evidence suggests that vigilance and other anti-predator behaviors have been conserved and refined throughout their evolutionary history. These behaviors are thought to have developed in response to similar ecological challenges faced by ancestral species. For function, vigilance increases a rabbit's survival by allowing earlier detection of predators, improving its chances of escaping and surviving. Vigilance is a critical anti-predator strategy that improves an individual's ability to detect and respond to threats. A study by Tobajas in 2024 has demonstrated that increased vigilance correlates with higher survival rates in prey species, including rabbits, by facilitating timely escape responses. As we learned and discussed in Module 6, vigilance is also known as self-vigilance, and it is a defensive behavior. Another animal that does this is deer. By developing these defensive behaviors, they can sense predators around them, allowing them to escape quickly, especially when they're alone. They also have a larger vigilance sense when they're in groups as well.